Setting up an aerial by One for All. When setting up the aerial, please point the front towards the nearest TV transmitter. If you are not sure where the TV transmitter is, simply look at the aerials on the rooftops on other houses in your area and see what direction they are facing. If the quality of your image is not satisfactory, try to turn the aerial both left and right and see when the quality of the incoming signals improves. If the image does not improve enough, put the aerial near a window and see if the signal gets better. Finally, you can try to turn the aerial left and right at this position to get the best signal quality possible. Remember to rescan on your TV whenever you move the antenna. Enjoy your One for All product.